Good morning viewers. Today I am back with another video. Today my video topic is how to eliminate hard gear shifts or sticky gear shifts in Tata Altroz. This particular process will also apply to all other Tata cars like Tata Punch, Tata Tiago. The process is same. Actually what happens when we buy a car, the gear shifts are very soft and very precise, but as it grows older you find that the shifting of your lever gets sticky and sometimes you are feeling hard shifts. But this is not always due to clutch or other gear problems. It is mainly due to your particular gear lever lubrication. It dries up as the car ages, so I will show you how to lubricate your gear lever. Very easy and very simple. For this I will be requiring two products. One product is your liquid grease spray. You can apply normal grease also, but don't apply those wheel bearing greases as they are too sticky and it dries up very fast. And a silicone lubricant, because don't apply those WD-40, as WD-40, that normal one is a petroleum based lubricant and it won't do well with your plastic components. So I will always prefer a silicone lubricant. Now the first job is opening this canopy. Very simple. So I have removed it. Now let me show you. The components has gone dry, as you can see. Let me show you from a closer look. So here this is the ball selector, and you can see the grease has almost dried up. These are the selector areas. So all these needs to be greased with very low consistency. So I will first apply some silicone spray, very little, don't apply too much. So I have applied it. You can see that selectors and shifters are working fine. In fact, it's more smoother now. Now I will apply some premium lithium grease, very little amount. Also those spring areas, there you can find the springs. So I have applied it. Now I will move the gears, apply to all slots. Okay, so it has been applied perfectly. Now I will just close this cover, just the reverse process. Okay, and you are done. Install the lever cover perfectly so that dust doesn't get inside. See how smooth it has become. It's just like a hot knife over the butter. So easy, so precise, no effort is required. Simply it's as precise when it was just like a new one. So these simple steps makes this feel just like a new gear lever. You see, shifting has become so smooth, very smooth shifting I am getting now. So this is the perfect way how you can lubricate your gear lever in Tata Altroz or other Tata cars. And if you find the video useful, please do subscribe and comment if you have any comment regarding the procedure of this particular work, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more, because it's your subscription gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.